In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Costco website effectively with a focus on their optical services. This guide will help you find your nearest Costco optical location and book an appointment with ease. Let's get started. First, visit the Costco website by typing in www.costco.com in your web browser's address bar. You'll arrive at the welcoming main page full of products and services offered by Costco. The website is designed to provide a seamless shopping experience, allowing you to access various sections with just a click. Next, locate the search bar or the menu options to find the optical link. Clicking on Optical directs you to the dedicated Costco Optical page. This section covers all optical services provided by Costco, including prescription glasses, contact lenses, and eye exams. It's a one-stop shop for all your optical needs. Once you're on the Costco Optical page, scroll down slightly to get a view of all the options available. This step ensures you can see all the services offered, like prescription glasses or contact lens services, and helpful information about eye health and care. Now, navigate to the option labeled Find the nearest Costco optical location. Clicking this will guide you through to a page where you can enter your zip code or allow the website to auto-detect your location. This feature is handy as it helps plot the nearest Costco locations offering these optical services. After entering your location information, you'll be presented with a list of nearby Costco warehouses. Here, select Show Warehouse Details to open up more detailed information about each location. This step is crucial as it provides you with operational hours, service availability, and often additional services that each warehouse offers. Once you've reviewed the details, click on View Store page for the selected warehouse. This page acts as a central hub for all information related to that specific store, showing you contact details and sometimes any special offers available. With the store page open, take note of the phone number listed for the optical department. This is important if you need to make direct inquiries or schedule an appointment. Writing it down or saving it in your contacts can save time if you frequently use the services. Finally, call the provided phone number to book your appointment. The trained staff at Costco Optical will help you arrange a suitable time and date for your visit. Calling in advance to schedule is always a good idea, as optical services can be quite busy, particularly during weekends and seasonal specials. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating to and booking services with Costco Optical. Being familiar with these steps will undoubtedly simplify your next optometry-related visit to Costco, enhancing your overall shopping experience.